Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a cookie consent banner for GDPR compliance on your Shopify store. This is helpful if you sell to customers in Europe, the UK, or other places where visitors need to know how your store uses cookies. A cookie banner is the small message that shows up on your website and asks the visitor if they accept cookies or want to change their choices. So, let's go through it slowly, step by step. Step 1. Open your Shopify admin. First, log into your Shopify account. Once you are inside your Shopify admin, look at the left side of the screen. This is where you will see your main menu. You may see things like orders, products, customers, content, analytics, marketing, discounts, and online store. For this tutorial, we do not need to go to Products or Online Store first. Instead, we need to go to the Store Settings. So, go down to the bottom left corner and click Settings. This will open the main settings area for your store. This is where you can control many important parts of your Shopify store, like payments, shipping, checkout, customer accounts, and privacy. Step 2. Go to Customer Privacy. Now that you are inside Settings, look through the list of settings options. Find the option called Customer Privacy. Click on Customer Privacy. This page is where Shopify lets you manage privacy tools for your store. This includes things like your privacy policy, cookie banner, and other privacy settings. If your store sells to people in different countries, this page is important because different places can have different privacy rules. Step 3. Open the cookie banner settings. Inside the Customer Privacy page, look for the section called Privacy Settings. In that section, you should see an option for Cookie Banner. Click Cookie Banner. This is the place where you can set up the message that visitors will see when they come to your store. The cookie banner helps visitors choose if they want to allow cookies or want to change their choices. It also helps make your store look more clear and trusted because you are telling visitors what is happening before you collect certain types of data. Step 4. Turn on Automated Settings. When you are inside the cookie banner settings, look for the option called Use Automated Settings. If this option is already on, you can leave it on. If it is off, turn it on. This is usually the easiest option because Shopify can help set the banner based on the regions where it should appear. For beginners, this is the best way to start because you do not have to guess every setting yourself. After turning it on, take a moment to look at the settings on the page. Do not rush through it. Make sure the cookie banner is active and ready to show on your store. After setting up the cookie banner, you should also check your privacy policy. Go back to Settings, then Customer Privacy. Look for your Privacy Policy section. Make sure your privacy policy explains how your store uses customer data and cookies. You do not need to make it confusing, just make sure it is clear and complete. If you are not sure what your store needs, it's a good idea to ask someone who understands privacy laws in your country. Shopify can help with the setup, but you are still responsible for making sure your store follows the rules that apply to your business. And that's how you add a cookie consent banner for GDPR compliance on your Shopify store. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.